Hey everyone, it's Jeff, and I'm here with,
Matt Haas.
and you are Matt Haas of,
Awesome Wood Things.
and you have a second channel too, right?
Yeah, a vlog channel, Awesome Fun Things. So I keep myself busy.
So we're going to start off and say that you should go follow those now. I'm going to have links in the description for both of those. But we're going to talk to Matt for a couple minutes and find out what he's all about. So
Cool.
Matt, what kind of stuff interests you as a maker? What are your making disciplines and hobbies?
Well, I consider myself, and maybe I shouldn't say this, it's small crafts. I like small, awesome, geeky things. I'm inspired by a lot of sci-fi and science and beer, wine, spirits. Anything I consider awesome, I like to make projects mostly out of wood and things you wouldn't typically see made out of wood. That's kind of what I'm going for on the Awesome Wood Things channel. So if it's geeky and sciencey and it can be made out of wood, I'll jump on that.
Good stuff. Do you have any one project? If someone asked you, what do you do? What project would you show them to identify that?
Well, the most impressive project I did is a piece of artwork. So it hangs on the wall, but it has LEDs in it, which is a very common thing. But what I've adapted is the LEDs it's very subtle. So I did a silhouette of a sci-fi character, and the eyes glow red, and then he's holding a sphere, and the sphere glows white. And it's a combination of glass and spray paint. Some of it's frosted, and I used a vinyl from the vinyl cutter, and I built the whole architecture inside to house all this stuff, and the buttons are hidden. You can manipulate. It's a very complex piece of artwork that I really like. It has a Doctor Who character on it called the Ood. It's an alien. It looks very evil, but it's just very well executed, and it's the most complicated thing I've ever put together, and I'm really impressed with it. And that speaks to something small, something sciencey or science fiction-y, and something really awesome with the different materials and the LEDs that are, it's not just the typical, the background glows, which is still cool. That I really, really like. And I've done some other cool things. I've built my own precision cheap router table. People love that one. So I'll do some shop build projects for tools and a lot of artwork, a lot of geeky stuff. Some common things, I needed an industrial tape dispenser, which are like over $100 if you buy them. I'm like, why are these so expensive? Slapped it together with materials I had around the shop. Works just as good as the store-bought ones, and slap some Doctor Who artwork on the side of it because it's got to be geeky. So everything needs to be stepped up with with the sci-fi stuff. So I'm having fun. You know, I do it for fun.
So if you had a non-maker hobby or discipline, something unrelated to your maker hobbies, what would that be?
Well, I mean, I do a lot of design work. I mean, I'm an artist at heart, and I've been doing desktop publishing my entire life, and that drifted into code and web development. So I have this weird set of skills, or uncommon set of skills, where I'm an artist, I can write code, and I make things out, physical objects in my shop. So I do a lot of design work for fun, whether it just be art or designs for the web. I like corporate identity and logos and stuff. So I do a lot of that stuff for fun.
Good stuff.
I run a local AA baseball team. I run their fan club. I'm part of that. I do that for funsies. And I have a group that meets mostly monthly for tacos. It's a taco meetup group. It's like a social media network, but not on the computer, in real life.
But not table saw tacos though.
No, not table saw tacos.
Okay. All right.
It's called We Freaking Love Tacos is the name of the group. There's 500 members in this group, which doesn't sound like a lot, but these are all people that are physically close to me and have agreed to go out and eat tacos with strangers. It's crazy.
It's certainly interesting.
I have a lot of passions. I have local sports and tacos and artwork and web development.
Pretty cool.
And
nice shirt, by the way. We're matching here. We're both on our way to the Atlanta Woodworking Show. And the truth is, you don't go for the woodworking show itself. You go to see Joel Crawford at Missing Digit Woodshop. He puts together a really, really cool party every year. And we're looking forward to going down for that. We're in Maryland right now. I'm from Rhode Island, as you might know. Matt is from Pennsylvania, near Harrisburg. And we're in Maryland here to pick up one other person that we're going to talk to another time.
Yeah, it's awesome. Can we consider this like the before video? Because I brought bail money. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to tear up Atlanta. So,
well, with any luck, we'll get away from the fuzz. All right.
There we go.
All right. Well, thanks very much for joining in today, and have a good one, guys.
Awesome. Stay awesome.